What is up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today I'm back with my 2006 Ford Escape Hybrid. I'm having a little clunking noise happening in the front end. I'm kind of blaming the sway bar links because they're really soft. I touched them the other day. They kind of move around real easily. So I'm going to replace those sway bar links, which I have right here on my truck. These are the new ones. These are the Value Craft from AutoZone. I'm not going to spend a lot on these. They do have the grease points right there. You guys can see them. They do not come pre-installed, so you have to install them. These are about, I think, 932s, if I'm not mistaken. And so yeah, we're going to replace both of them on each side. Right now I do have the passenger side up, and we are going to remove the tire so we can get to it. So yeah, let me get started. Alrighty guys, so here we go. Tire's been removed. 19 mil bolts for the tire, and this is the sway bar link right here. I do not think these ever been replaced, so I'm gonna replace those. I will have to replace these brakes soon, as there is a lot of vibration coming from these brakes, and yeah, they suck. Brake and rotors are going to be changed soon. So yeah, the sway bar links right there. We're going to need a 5 mil, and I think this is either 14 or 15. So let me go get those, and then the bottom, same thing for the bottom. So yeah, let me go get that. Alrighty guys, so here we go. This is the new one, and it is a 5 millimeter Allen key, and the actual nut is a 15, not a 14. So yeah, get yourself some of these, 15 and a 5 millimeter, and then we can take these out. All right, so let me go down there. First, I'm gonna put in my 15, then I put in my 5 millimeter. I'm gonna turn it. Can you see what I'm doing? I just jabbed it in there. Ooh, looks like it's gonna snap. Oh, man. Yep. Yeah, these sway bars links are really loose, as you can see. Man, sway bar links really jacked up. Now let me do the other one. Alright. You can see what I'm doing with the other one? Probably not. There you go. best if you have one of these ratcheting wrenches. Makes it a whole lot easier. Jeez. Probably gonna have to lift the other side too, so that way this thing can come loose. So yeah, guys, these things here. This is my sway bar link. Look at how easy this thing is to move. And not only that, but the boot is torn. So on this side here, this one's still pretty firm. So this side is still good, but this side definitely. See the difference? This I actually have to force to move. And this side is like a little joystick. So that's how you know they're bad. And these are the new ones. These are extremely hard to move. Not even with like real strength I can move them. So that's what I'm gonna put on. And again, these are the Value Craft from AutoZone. I'll link for Amazon ones if you guys want to get them on Amazon. So I'm gonna try to put this one on now. Is this longer? No. No, it's the same size. Alright. Might actually not put it on yet. I'm gonna go raise the other side because I think it's preventing me from actually putting it up. So I lifted the other side a bit just so we can get this thing to fit. Because, alright. Whoa. There we go. It's in. Now to put these screws on. Comes with brand new screws. Okay. Sorry, can't even see. Put this one on first. Okay. Now the other one. Okay. Now we gotta put our 15 back up there. See if I can tighten it without putting my Allen. Ow! Oh. Car repair includes hand and finger smashing. I didn't even need the Allen key for that. So there's one. Now let's do the other side. The bottom. So we can get a better shot. There you go. Oh, the whole thing is spinning. All right, so now we're gonna have to put our Allen key on the bottom one because it's just spinning. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on there. See if that's good enough. Whew. And there it is. Jesus. Alright guys, there it is. Sway bar link installed. Tire's gonna go back on and then onto the other side. Alright guys, so if you have any comments or questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. If you have another better way to do it, let me know. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, inside the Ford Escape, I have you guys on my tripod. Hopefully it doesn't wobble too much. But I can tell you, I can feel an instant difference in the ride quality as far as the bumps go. I don't hear the rattle anymore. I don't hear the clunk clunk, clunk clunk. Especially over like a large bump, I would hear like kunk kunk, like almost like a clanking sound. And I'm thinking it was those sway bar links that are causing all that ruckus. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go around the block. So yeah, I do feel an immediate difference in the car. The car itself inside is kind of noisy, so it doesn't surprise me. But the suspension is sounding really bad. Maybe later on I'll change all 4 shocks, shock absorbers, and the coils, or the struts, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, the clunking sound is gone. It does feel a little bit more firmer, but overall no more noise, which is great. Oh, well anyways, job well done. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.